This is the center console of the 2008 to 2010 BENZ C-Class W204 with the NTG4.0 system. Now we will demonstrate how to replace the OEM screen with our Linux screen. Use the pry to pry open the air vent and unplug the cable. Use the screwdriver to loosen the screws fixing the OEM screen. Remove the OEM screen and unplug the cables. Use the screwdriver to loosen the screws fixing the head unit. Lift the fixing buckles on both sides and take out the head unit. Unplug the cable on the side of the head unit. Unplug the power cable. If there is a fiber optic cable, it needs to be moved to the new wiring harness. Fiber optic cable installation. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness. If your car does not have an aux or OMI port, connect the audio cable directly to the power cable. If your car has an AUX port, disconnect the audio cable from the power cable. Then, connect it directly to the vehicle's AUX port. If your car has an OMI port, disconnect the audio cable from the power cable. Use the included OMI cable. Connect one end of the cable to the audio jack on the power cable and the other end to the vehicle's OMI port. Install the new bracket. Secure the new bracket with OEM screws. Before installing the air outlet, please remove the crossbar at the bottom of the new bracket. If the OEM system displays an error, please set the correct resolution according to the OEM screen size.